Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to use AliExpress coins. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to whatever item that you want to order. So let me find it in my wish list. Now I need to proceed to my checkout page. So I press Buy Now button at the bottom, select exactly which item I want to order, tap Continue button, and now at the checkout I need to scroll down to Summary section and now tap to the line Saved. This is basically saved amount of money that gave me my coins. So I can see that I have used one coin and that gave me this little discount. And if I tap here again, I can see that I can switch to option Do not use any coins this time, but of course I will use my coins. So basically when you want to use your AliExpress coins, all you have to do is literally nothing, because AliExpress deducts your coins automatically. But one thing is that you should always look out for items with the mention extra % off with coins. What I mean by that, if I go back to my item and here scroll down a little bit, I will see here line extra 1% off with coins, and that means that I can get my discount using my coins. But if I go to some other item, for example this one, I scroll down a little bit and I simply cannot see it, and that means that I cannot use my coins to get discount specifically for this product. So I think that's pretty clear. If you have still some questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.